Well, hello. It's me. It's Jason. I'm here again in my home shop in Napanee, Indiana. I just got that front suspension and front steering connected. So now it's time to get that thing straightened, towed in correctly, and yeah. So Zach's probably going to be over in a little while. Until then, I'm going to clean up some of the boxes I got to get rid of, and try to get this car at least reasonably close so that we can roll it outside and work on it in the driveway. So that's what I'm going to do first, is get cleaned up a little bit, get some tires on the car, try to get the adjustment at least a little bit correct, and then hopefully Zach gets over and we can put it down on the ground and take care of the rest. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse while I run some boxes around and whatnot for a little while, and then I'll get you up under that front end and we can get started there. So here's the tow out condition that we're dealing with. That one's pretty well towed out. This one's pretty well towed out as well. So I'm gonna get underneath there and I'm gonna adjust those in, see if I can't get them pointing somewhat straight. And then we need to grease all these grease certs up. And then Zach should be here and we'll be able to throw some tires on this, put it on the ground, and do some measuring and make sure it's perfectly good. Okay. Okay, so that's a lot closer. I think it's time to get some wheels on this thing and put it on the ground. So, yeah, let's do that. So guys, we got it down on the ground. As you can see, it's a little bit of like whoop. So I need to get some shims and shim those guys in so that tire comes back out a little bit. And same on this side. I don't know if you can see that or not, but the tire's definitely out and I need to pull it back in, so I need some shims on the top. And then Zach came.
Oh,
hi, Zach.
Hello.
Zach came and he brought over this plate with some tape measures, and as you can see, like right now, I got about a 1/2 inch of toe in, so that's actually kind of good because I'm about out of room. So first I need to get rid of that, get those more level.
Yeah, once you get the camber neutral, it'll be really easy to just
Yeah.
get the alignment set to neutral as well.
And then I can get the toe in, toe out. So I also need to grease all these joints. I didn't do that, so I need to do that too. So I'm gonna go get a grease gun and get some shims and get back here and work on shimming these, and then we'll go with that toe in, toe out, which is better than I expected right at the moment, because I actually expected it to be toe out. So I'll take toe in. Toe in's way better than toe out. So let me go get some shims and a grease gun, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I made it to the parts store and back. I got a couple shim packs. Essentially what we're going to do is we're going to loosen these up on the top with the weight of the car on it, and it should spread out just a little bit, and we should be able to shim those. So I've never done this before. Yeah, hold my beer and watch this. Well, here goes nothing, guys. Hey, that wasn't that horrible, guys. It actually worked out pretty good. So what I'm trying to do, guys, is I'm trying to change this so I can basically hold that there. I can measure from that rim to there, and I'm at 1 inch. When I come down here, I'm a little over 1 inch, like 1 1/8 inches. And when I come up here, it's just under 1 inch. So what that means is the tire is sitting out like that. So I'm just trying to move that in. Looks like I need to move it just a little more. Okay, guys, so I had to add some shims there. I added about just over 3/16. It brought that wheel top back in. It's pretty much level. It's within 1/16 of an inch, and that's probably as good as it's going to get for this car. I did the same on this side, and then we put our plates on for toe, and I got that one in the back reading right about 67, and this one in the front is about 1/4 of an inch under 67. So that would say that the car's towed in about 1/4 of an inch. That's probably more than it should be, but I think that's going to be called done. So what do you think of my shim job and my alignment being within 1/4 of an inch? You think that's good enough, or you think I should sit around and do better? Anyways, these plates came in super handy from the Zach. Thank you so much, Zach. Big shout out to Various Engineering on YouTube. Go watch some of the crazy stuff he does. He's a really cool cat. But other than that, I think we're going to call it. I think we're going to call it good. Oh, I also got everything greased. I broke the little ones off right there, so I'm going to have to replace those, but I just put a plug in them for now. But yeah, I think we're going to call this job done too. I think she looks good, boys. I think she looks good. Here, let's get her out here. I think the stance is about the same, if not just a little higher in the front. But yeah, I think that's going to do it. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today's video on adjusting the front end on a G-body El Camino. I'm sure I probably didn't do it 100% right. Please leave comments below how I could have done better. Please. I'm still learning. That's the first time I've ever added a shim to anything in my life. But yeah, I think that's that. I think the next step for the Elco is rolling it outside and firing it up, boys. I think that's going to conclude the suspension modifications and steering modifications for this off season. Time to get to the season and do some burnouts. Yeah, so thanks for following. Make sure to go over to Various Engineering and check Zach out. Zach's a pretty cool dude, does some crazy stuff. Again, yeah, go wish him luck on some of his projects. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. We got burnouts coming up pretty soon, so let's get to it, guys.